Hello, so today's topic is about which are the most popular types of blogs on the internet these days worldwide. So the first one is fashion, which is my personal favorite thing to do in life generally. So fashion blog is the most popular type of blogs on the internet these days. Everybody wants to watch videos about fashion. Everybody wants to read content on web about fashion and styling. I think every third or fourth person is doing this kind of things on the internet these days. Not every third, it will be wrong. I don't know the statistics about it. I said the statistics word third or fourth time in this video, and then also I'm fumbling about this word statistics. So I don't know the statistics of fashion, but this is the most popular blogging on the internet these days that I know. Second one is food blog. You can write about foods, you can give review about food, you can give reviews about your nearby restaurants, you can review your own home food also. So there are so many types of categories in food also that you can use in blogging, or you can create videos on food. So if you don't want to create videos on food, or you don't want to write about foods, you can eat foods. So the third one is travel. Travel is something that we all love. I think nobody will say that I don't like traveling. If you travel somewhere and if you want to create videos, or if you want to write something about that particular place or anything, or their culture, street food, any special thing about that particular place, it will be very nice if you can post that thing on the internet, so that people can read it, have some idea about that particular place, and you also can earn money from that. So this is the best thing to do. There is music blog, there is lifestyle blog, fitness blog, sports blog, there is DIY blogs. These 8 type of blogs is the most popular on the internet. So if you have interest in blogging, you can write this 8 type of blogs. You can pick any one of them and you are good to go.